So 4K is still a big discussion point in the market, and the home cinema market is certainly driving 4K resolution. But there is quite a cost to pay for native 4K. The LX-MH502Z uses a full HD panel, which means that the cost is less than purchasing a native 4K projector. But what this does is, using pixel shift technology, it moves that panel so it creates a 3840 by 2160 UHD resolution output, but not at the cost of 4K. So for businesses, education, schools and colleges, or corporate or creative installations wanting to get a 4K solution, this might be their first step to do so. This projector delivers 5,000 lumens of brightness, excellent color quality. It has a whole range of features to help you in terms of the setup of the projector, with manual lens shift and focus, and therefore it's an ideal first step into the 4K market. The LX-MH502Z. If you want to find out any more, go to canon-europe.com/projectors.